The first web browser is Mosaic. Web browser called Mosaic was developed in the United States by Mr. Mark Anderson and others at the National Center for Supercomputing Applications and was released in September 1993. Which device can understand difference between data and programs? Correct answer is microprocessor. In a computer, what is capable to store single binary bit? Correct answer is flip-flop. A flip-flop is an electronic circuit with two stable states that can be used to store binary data. The stored data can be changed by applying varying inputs. Flip-flops and latches are fundamental building blocks of digital electronic systems used in computers, communications, and many other types of systems. DNS in Internet technology stands for correct answer is domain name system. The notable features like keyboards, monitors, GUI, operating systems were developed in which generation? Correct answer is third generation. The BIOS is the abbreviation of correct answer is basic input output system. BIOS. The qualitative or quantitative attribute of a variable or set of variables is termed as data. EEPROM is the abbreviation for electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. EEPROM. What is a compiler? A compiler converts the whole of a higher level program code into machine code in one step. Hardware or software designed to guard against unauthorized access to a computer network is known as a firewall. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs power on self-test. Main storage is called memory. Program designed to perform specific tasks is known as application software. What represents approximately 1 billion memory locations? Correct answer is gigabyte means GB. 1 gigabyte is 1 billion bytes. The unit symbol for the gigabyte is GB. GB is a unit of digital information storage capacity. When you have 1 GB of storage, it means you have the capacity to store around 1 billion characters or bytes of data. When you quickly press and release the left mouse button twice, you are double clicking the mouse button. Microsoft Office is an example of a software suite which feature in Microsoft Word automatically corrects certain spellings, typing, capitalization or grammar errors. Autocorrect. What are the decision-making operations performed by the ALU, arithmetic logic unit of a computer? Correct answer is all of the above, means greater than, less than, equal to. All operations are performed by arithmetic logic unit. What is the responsibility of a logical unit in the CPU of a computer? Correct answer is to compare numbers. The word processing task associated with changing the appearance of the document is known as formatting. If you type a word that is not in words dictionary, which color wavy underline appears below the word? Correct answer is red color. Red color wavy underline appears below the word. What is a text that you want to be printed at the bottom of the page? Correct answer is footnote. Footnotes appear at the bottom of the page. Footnotes are used to provide readers with additional details about information in written documents and to cite sources that might use for research. Linux is a dash 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 operating system. Open source. Linux is a open source operating system. The full form of Linux is Lovable Intellect Not Using XP. Linux is a widely used open source operating system similar to Windows, Mac, and Android. Linux offers a greater degree of security than many operating systems and requires no antivirus program for protection. Hard disk drives are considered as which storage? Non-volatile storage. Hard disk drive is a non-volatile storage drive, which means it can retain the stored data even when no power is supplied to the device. Thank you for watching.